Welcome back to our tutorial on Microsoft Excel. I am the Techie Dude from Fiscus Infotech Solutions. In this lesson, we will proceed in looking at logical function, and we shall be considering the if combining with or, the if function with or. Why do you need logical function? You use logical functions when you want to carry out more than one comparison in your formula or test multiple conditions. This can be used to display information or even perform different calculations. So we will be looking at if and or. We are going to consider the data before us. And in this data, we have names of students and their performance in two different examinations, first term and second term. And we have a final remark for each of the students. The final remarks depend on the performance of the student in any of the two examinations. So the question now is, the student must score at least 50 in any of the exam to be remarked pass. The student must score at least 50 in any of the exams to be remarked pass. So you can see the sample of the output we are going to have in this exercise. So John scored 78 in one of the exams, 69 in the second exam, and is adjudged pass. Meanwhile, Clement scored 26 in one of the exams and scored 34 in the other exam. Because he did not score up to 50 in any of the exam, the final remark is fail. So this is what we are going to be looking at, and we're going to be practicing this exercise. Let's enter our formula in cell E8. Whenever we are putting a formula in our cells, remember we put equals to, and in this case we want to use the if. We use or, then we're going to place our argument here, which is C8 greater than 49. If it is greater than 49, or D8 greater than 49, then we close the parenthesis. We put a comma sign, no space, then the string output that we want, the student pass, or if not, the student fail. Remember the quotation mark. Then let's close the parenthesis. When we press the enter key, we get the result pass for the first student, John, that scored 78 and 69. So we're going to use cell reference to get the result for the rest of the students. So let's do cell reference. Now we have the result for all the students now, and you can see that Elliot scored 49 in one of the exams, which is not up to 50, and 90 in the second exam, and final remark is pass because the student scored more than 50 in one of the exams. Now we have a student here that scored 26 in one of the exams and 34 in the second exam, and his final remark is fail because the student did not score at least 50 in any of the examination. This is how to use the if function with or argument, returning a result if a condition is met or another condition is met. Thank you.